In a cozy little house on a sunny street lived Tum the cat with quick little feet, and Jerry the mouse, so tiny and fast. Their chases and giggles were built to last. Every morning when the sun would rise, Tum would stretch and rub his eyes. Jerry would peek from his mouse hole small, watching Tum walk down the hall. Tum loved milk in a shiny bowl. Jerry loved cheese with a tiny hole. But sharing food, oh no, not they. They'd rather race and laugh all day. Zoom went Jerry across the floor. Slip went Tum by the kitchen door. Crash went a pan with a noisy bang. Clink went a spoon as it loudly rang. Jerry would giggle, "You're too slow, Tum." Tum would answer, "Just you wait, I'll come." Around the table and over a chair, through the curtains flying in the air. One day Jerry found a kite, red and yellow, oh what a sight. He dragged it out into the yard. Flying it high was rather hard. Tum came running to see the fun, shading his eyes from the bright warm sun. "Can I help?" he softly said, scratching his fluffy orange head. Jerry paused and gave a grin. "Okay, Tum, but no tricks this time." Together they held a string so tight and watched it dance in the sky so bright. The kite went higher, up and away, dancing and twirling in the breeze at play. Tum laughed loud, Jerry squeaked with cheer. For once no chasing far or near. But suddenly snap! Oh, what a sound! The kite came tumbling to the ground. They both ran fast to catch their prize, with worried looks in their wide round eyes. They fixed the kite with tape and care, working together in the fresh cool air. When it flew again, oh what delight! It sparkled softly in golden light. From that day on they understood, being friends could feel so good. They still would chase and run around, with happy jumps and playful sound. But sometimes Tum would share his milk, and Jerry would bring cheese smooth as silk. For even rivals, big and small, can be the best of friends after all. So if you hear a crash or a squeak, or tiny footsteps playing hide and seek, it's just Tum